Okay, so I have assembled this grill. You can check the previous video if you're interested. And this is the E6 model. In this video, I'm gonna just get it ready to start up. I'm gonna connect it to my Wi-Fi, pair it with my app on my cell phone, put the wood pellets in the back hopper. The hopper is supposed to take 22 pounds of pellets. Every bag is 20 pounds if you buy the Weber brand, which I'm going to be using to break in this grill, the bag that I got from Weber, the free bag that came with it. I'm using an extension cord. It's rated for outdoors use. It's a short one, 12 feet one. And I'll be starting it. I did not remove this sticker here. It was very hard to remove, so I thought as the grill is heating up it should be easier to remove. Okay, I'll be just adding now the pellets into the grill. Okay, so I just filled the hopper with the full bag. I actually put the full bag inside. I did not want to run out while I'm running this grill, just to break it in basically. I'm gonna now connect it to the power. I'm using a extension cord and I'm gonna hook it up right now. It's right at the bottom. So I just hooked it up, as you can see, and there is the on-off button right next to the where it plugs in. I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. There is a sticker on this screen. I'll take the sticker off. It's now connecting. Well, it's starting. And press dial to continue. Point your phone camera to this code to get a link to the Weber Connect app. I will do that. Okay, so as soon as I downloaded the app, it asked me to pair with the nearest smoker or grill, which it did. That took quite a while actually, the updating of the software, and the Weber manual instructs us to do that before we start to use the grill. So I did that. It took quite a while, did the pairing, and then did the update, and then asked me to turn it off one more time and on back again, and now it says it's ready. So I just need to set the temperature to 600 and allow it to run for 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna close the hopper. I'm gonna open the grill and watch out for smoke per the instructions. So I'm gonna push once to start. Now it's starting. You can hear the fan, it's loud, just like everybody else said. It is 40 degrees this morning. It's cold, but not too cold. We don't have any wind. I'm looking at the slide now, trying to see if I'm gonna be able to. I don't think I'll be able to see the slide actually. No, that heat diffuser on the top prevents me from doing it. I'm waiting to see any sign of smoke. It's taken a minute or two. So it's been about 2 minutes now, and I just heard some wood pellets coming down the slide. I'm gonna try to make them audible on this video. Yep. So pellets are going to the fire pot definitely now. Let's wait for the smoke and see. Okay, I'm starting to smell the smoke. Now we are 3 minutes into the process. I don't see smoke yet, but I can definitely smell the wood. So I know the glow plug must be working. Something caused the pellets to start smoking. Okay, I can see the smoke coming out now. It's very thin, bluish smoke. I hope the video is showing it. I hope we have the right. You can see we still have some batches of snow on the ground here in Utah. Okay, I'm gonna close the lid now and allow it to reach temperature, and I'll be reporting on how long it takes it to reach temperature. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes since we started the process. I can see smoke coming very strongly actually out of the vents on the back. I can see some smoke leaking here from the seam on the door. You can see some coming here. I'm watching for any steam leaks from the top. I'm seeing some steam coming here, but not really too bad. I see some smoke coming, yeah, from that where the door meets the grill. But if you go to the back, most of the steam is definitely coming from the vents. The temperature did not move yet, still showing 40. I don't see a visible flame inside the grill yet, but it's very strong smoke. Okay, it's now 10 minutes since we started it. It just moved from 75 to 80. So we started at 40, if you remember. Now it's 80. Smoke is still coming strongly from the back vents. Some smoke leaks around the door seams. I'm opening it to see. I can see definitely now some visible flame. I think from now on it's gonna heat up really fast. I cannot tell if the flame is stronger on any side or not, but we'll find out. Now that the temperature is coming up, we're just 12 minutes. It's coming up really fast, you can see it. And the sticker here is coming out much easier. When it was cold, it just did not want to move. Keep an eye on that, it's moving really fast now. This is real time, I'm not trying to run this video fast, so this is just normal time. You can see how fast it's coming up. Okay, we're still 12 minutes and the flame now is like there is real fire inside. I'm gonna try to show you the full thing. There is real fire inside. No wonder the temperature is coming. No wonder the temperature is coming up really fast. Now it's been 15 minutes since we started the grill. It's 4:65 and coming up really fast. And I'm gonna open the lid so you can take a look at the fire inside, and it's real fire. No wonder the temperature is coming up real fast. We have a real fire, real flames inside this grill. And at this temperature, now the smoke has slowed down. It's expected now that we have real fire. We don't have much smoke. I can still see some smoke coming out, but not nearly. This Weber is sitting right next to its Genesis brother. Okay, it's been 20 minutes exactly now, and the temperature is at 555. I can see some smoke leaking from the bottom, right where they have the vent, the felt. You can see some smoke is coming out. The fact that they put the filter there, they were anticipating some smoke leakage there. Temperature now 560. You can easily smell some paint. I'm glad I'm doing this break-in. I would hate that paint smell to be on my food. Okay, it's been 23 minutes and the grill has reached its temperature. I'm gonna allow it now to burn at maximum temperature 600 for 30 minutes to get rid of all the nasty paint smell. I cannot see really any smoke coming out now, and it's not too bad. 23 minutes to reach 600, not too bad. I suspect that I'll be using this pellet grill mainly for smoking as opposed to grilling. I think I'll keep using my Weber Genesis for this one. Is 5 years old, still going strong, did not have to do anything on it, so I have high hopes for this one too. But I think for a quick grill, like just for me, my wife and the kids, I'll be using the Genesis, and for smoking things I'll be using the pellet grill. That's how I see this going. Okay, I guess this will conclude this short video, and once this done, I'll just turn it off. Maybe I'll show you before I conclude the video. I'll show you that turn off cycle and report on that. Okay, we're about 10 minutes into the 30 minutes of reaching or cooking at, not cooking, breaking this in at 600 degrees. Something I wanted to show you is that you can visibly see that the flame is stronger on the right side. I'm centering my camera right on the center, and I can see stronger flame on the right side. This can, I guess if you're cooking or grilling steaks at 600, this will contribute to uneven temperatures. Okay, so it's been burning at 600 degrees for 30 minutes. It did not have any trouble at all maintaining 600. It did not go down even once. Once it reached 600, I tried to open it to see how fast it comes back up to temperature. When I opened it, it went down to 525, and it took about 3 minutes to go back up again to 600. You can see a lot of ash even outside. I did not expect that. You can even see some ash on top of it. You can see some ash here in the back. One thing I just thought to show you, it's the SmokeFire is definitely not the usual well-built when you compare it to the Weber Genesis. Look at the thickness of this material and compare it to that material. It's not even comparable. I'm not saying it's not very well built. It's actually very well built, the SmokeFire. I'm just saying if you're expecting something like the Genesis quality, you might be disappointed. I'm gonna open it one more time just to show you the fire. You can still definitely notice that the flame is stronger on the right side, and you can see some ashes on the grates and at the bottom of it. I cannot smell any paint anymore. Everything seems okay. I'm gonna start the shutdown procedure. Switch to shutdown and push. Grill is shutting down. Please do not disconnect from power. This will take around 15 minutes. Now it's going through the shutdown procedure, and I'm gonna time it and see how long it's gonna take. It says 15 minutes, we'll find out. It's still doing the shutdown procedure. You can see that this burn, the whole procedure, it was on for about, I don't know, 30 minutes, 35 minutes at 600 degrees, and 20 minutes before that, so maybe about an hour. It used quite a bit of pellets. you can see that it's not flowing really good. I mean, you can see that there is a big hole on top of the feed point. I'm hoping that this area will feed too. It's expecting to use a lot of pellets. I read on it right here that it's supposed to use about 4.67 pounds every hour. I would say this used definitely more than 5 pounds. I put a full bag here and it was 20 pounds. I see it used at least 7 pounds of them. So it just gave me the message that it is now safe to power off your grill. It took exactly 14 minutes, so the estimate of 15 minutes was very good. I'll turn it off now.